So hello students, now I am going to tell you about the system of linear equation solution. Here is a tricky question which is coming in the examination repeatedly. That's why this question has been selected by me for the examination point of view. This is also the 6 marks question, special type of question it is. In this question what you have to do, very first you have to find out the product of A as well as B, and after that what we have to do, we have to solve the linear equation that has been mentioned here with the help of this. Why? Because it has been given in this question to find AB and hence solve the equation that has been mentioned here. So what we will do, very first we will solve this A as well as this B. It means we will find out the product of A and B. This is my habit that I am suggesting my students that whenever you are watching this type of videos, you must have a pen as well as a register so that you will mention all the required things after completing this question. You must solve this question by your own self. Wherever you are stuck, then pause the video, try to see that what has been solved and then again try to solve. It means unless you will practice, you are not going to gain anything from any video whichever has been uploaded on the from your side. What I am going to do, I am going to find out the value of A as well as B. So what we will do here, we are going to find out AB, and this AB will be written as 1, 0, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, and then 2, minus 3, 4. This is A. Then B is going to be multiplied on this. For that will be minus 2. This is 9. This is 6, 0, 2, 1. Then 1, minus 3, minus 2. If I am not wrong, so this question has come in the 2011 in the board examination. So you cannot ignore this question as well as the solution of this question. Even my bacha know that how to solve this. Even just try to revise it by seeing the solution whichever is being solved by me. So what we have to do, we have to apply ulta L. That is this one multiple this one. For getting first row and first column, it means 1 1 element. So what you will do, you will find out the product of 1 1, then find out 2 2, then product of 3 3. Then these three product will be added. So this is 1 minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 9 minus 9, that is minus 2 and minus 9 minus 11 and plus 12. So what you will get? 1 only. Okay, so that is what? Minus 2 minus 9 plus 12. This is what? A11. If you are going to get A12, so 1 into 0, 0 will be here, then minus 1 into 2, that will be minus 2, then minus 2, sorry, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 2, that will be minus 2, that has been written, and 2 into 1, that will be 2. So plus 2 is going to be written here. After that what you have to do, for getting this A13, first row and third column will be accepted, and this is 1 1s are 1, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, and 2 into minus 2, this is minus 4. Now the boundary has been made for this matrix. Same way we will do for these AB, that is 0 into minus 2, 0, then 2 into 9 plus 18, then 2 into minus 3, sorry, then this minus 3 into 6. So that will be minus 18. I am repeating myself what I have done. We are going to multiply this one as well as this one. So minus 0 into minus 2, that will be 0. 2 into 9, that is 18, then minus 3 into 6, minus 18. So that will be written here. Same way we will do for this one as well as this one, for this one as well as this one and this one. So I hope that you are able to do. Now you are observing here that after finding AB, up to here has been explained, and after that this has been solved by you to short the duration of this video. So that has been mentioned here. I told that how to multiply this. The result of these all will be 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 0 0 1. You have to keep one thing in your brain, that whenever this type of question is coming in the examination, that you have to find out the product, and after that you need to find out the solution of this. Certainly I will come here. It means 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. It means I matrix definitely will come. Maybe 8 8 8 is here, maybe 4 4 4 is here. That 4 will be taken as common, 8 will be taken as common. That will be done by you. So you can observe here that there is A into B is equal to I. Getting it or not? After that, if you will focus little bit, so this is A into B is equal to I. You know very well that whenever we need to find out the solution of the equation, we must have A inverse, because without A inverse we are not able to find out the solution of the given equation. So what we will do, multiplying by A inverse on both sides. Multiplying by A inverse on both sides. So that will be written as A inverse into A into B, that is equal to I into A inverse. I hope that you are getting. So A inverse into A will be written as I into B, that will be is equal to A inverse only. It means directly what you can say, that A inverse is equal to B, and what is the B matrix? That is -2 9 6 0 2 1 and 1 -3 -2. It means the value which was related to B matrix is now A inverse. It means whenever we have to use the value of A inverse, directly the value of B will be put it here. Now here is a term to find out the value of this as well as this also. So for solution of this equation, for solution of system of linear equation, what we have to do, that must be Ax is equal to B, but actually B has been already taken here, so we won't include B, we will write down C. Why? Because that will be the constant term, and B has been written like this, so another matrix will be accepted for this one. So that will be A multiple X is equal to C. I'm repeating myself that C won't be accepted here, B won't be accepted here, as we had written in previous question that Ax is equal to B, because B matrix has been mentioned at -2 9 and C. But for B, for the solution of this concept, we must have B as 1 1 and 2. So that will be the separate matrix, that's why it has been written as C. Now Ax is equal to C has been mentioned here, for which A will be is equal to 1 minus 1 2, that will be 1 minus 1 2, then 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1, then 3 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 4, and X is equal to, that will be of course X, Y and Z, and then again C is equal to the constant term which are 1 1 and 2, that will be 1 1 and 2. Trio has been taken here. Now you have to see one thing, that whatever A was here, that has been written here. If it is not, it means somewhere there is a mistake, as I am observing here that 1 minus 1 2. So this is 1 minus 1 2, this is correct. But after that here is 0 2 minus 3, and here is 2 minus 3 1. It means definitely we had made somewhere mistake. So we have to observe that mistake. So let's see the solution equation. It means what is this actually? ध्यान देना जरा, ये क्या है? ये है हमारा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x, ये है हमारे कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y एंड ये है आपके कोफिशिएंट ऑफ z. तो लेट्स सी द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x in the given equation, that is 1, but actually x is not here, so that will be considered as 0. It means 1, 0 and 3 should be here. So 1 has been taken, so that should be 0. I hope my student is understanding what was the mistake and how it has been rectified. Getting now? After that, here is a chance to take the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y in the equation is -1, -3 and -2. So -1, -3 and -2. This is correct. After that, the coefficient of, sorry, here is mistake I think, -1, 2, coefficient of y and -2. Again I am repeating, -1, 2 and -2. -1, 2 should be here. 2 and -2. Now the coefficient of z, that is 2, -3, 4. 2, -3 should be here. -3 and 4. That has been written here. This is x, y, z and 1, 1, 2. Let's check. Let us check it. That is 1, -1, 2. Yes. 0, 2, -3. Of course it is right. 3, -2, 4. Of course 3, -2, 2 has been taken here. Now you can observe that A is correct. X is here. C is here. And whenever we are supposed to find out the value of x, so I am writing here x will be equal to A inverse into C. What will be here? A inverse into C. Now the value of A inverse is B. That was this. It means -2, 9, 6, 0, 2. You will write down equation number 1. So putting from equation number 1, you should not forget that one answer is A into B is equal to I. That is the first answer. Actually we need to find out the value of A now. So A inverse into C. The value of A inverse is B, that is -2, 9, 6, 0, 2, 1 and then 1, -3, -2. So this is 1, -3 and -2. That has been taken, and after that the value of C will be written, that is 1, 1 and 2. So 1, 1 and 2. After that what you have to do, you have to find out the product of these two matrices. I know that you are able to do so. So x will be written as x, y, z and it will be -2 into 1, -2, then 0, then +2. So finally it will be 0. I hope you are getting. Then 9 ones are 9 and 2, 11 and -6. So 11 minus 6, that is 5. After that we need to find out the value of z, that is 6 ones are 6, 1 ones are 1, 6 1, 7 and -4. So 7 minus 4 is 3 here. So finally the answer of x, y, z is, answer x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 3. This is your final answer. Note it down, take the screenshot of that. If you like this video, please like it this, subscribe this as well as share, and say your friends to share it more and more, so that I will be motivated to make more and more video for you. Thank you. That screen is for you. You may take the screenshot of this. Question number 15 will be taught by me, and the rest of the question you have to do. And even if you are facing any problem, you may write down in the comment box. I will tell you that how to solve the rest of this. Even all type of sums has been taught by me, so don't worry, you will be able to do if you had seen my lectures carefully. Told that the question number 15 will be told by me that how to solve this, and this is also the very important question. This type of question is also coming in the examination. This is a word problem type question that was coming in class 10th as well as in class 11th in the form of inequality, and then class 12th also. Now here you have to, very first what you have to do, you have to make 3 equations, and after that I will tell you that how to solve these equations. Very first we must learn that how to form the equation, and after that I will tell you that how to solve the equations also. तो भाई सबसे पहले हमने करना क्या होता है कि हमें एक इक्वेशन में कुछ चीजें लेट करनी होती है। सबसे पहले तो आप ये देखिए कि व्हाट हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली। तो इफ यू विल रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली तो यू विल सी देयर कि देयर टू इंस्टीट्यूशन हैज डिसाइडेड टू अवार्ड देयर एम्प्लॉइज फॉर देयर resourcefulness, competence and as well as determination also. So each institution will select a different number of employees for this award, and after that the situation will be arises, and after that situation you will make the equations. So I had supposed that we let 3 why we are supposing sometimes the x y z has been given. Even in question number 15 the x y z has been mentioned, but according to me if the question is coming in your board examination so variable has not been mentioned, that will be supposed by you according to the question. ऊपर if you read the question तो here it has been given कि find the value of x y and z. अब यहाँ तो x y z की वैल्यू निकालने को कह रहा है। कभी कभी आपसे ये पूछ सकता है कि what is the value of each type of award, हर टाइप के अवार्ड की वैल्यू कितनी है। तो फिर आपने सपोज कर लेना है कि let the value of each type of award for resourcefulness, competence as well as determination be x, y and z respectively if it has not been mentioned, but in this question it has been mentioned. तो हमने लिख लिया कि भाई तीन वैल्यूज जो है वो रिसोर्सफुलनेस, कॉम्पिटेंस और डिटर्मिनेशन के लिए x, y और z हैं। अब भाई अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूशन आगे आते हैं और अपनी अलग अलग राम कहानी गाते हैं। जैसे पहला इंस्टीट्यूशन हमारे पास आया तो हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया फॉर अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट कंडीशन एंड इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट for first institution for first institution that has decided to award 4, 3 and 2 employees. 4, 3 and 2 employees means 4 employees for resourcefulness, 4 employees for resourcefulness, 3 employees for competence and 2 employees for determination. It is not being supposed by me, it has been mentioned in the question कि first institution is decided to award 4, 3 and 2 respectively. So that it has been mentioned. So it means what you have to do according to the first condition 4x, because one is the value of one prize is x rupee, so value of 4 prizes will be 4x. Sir, why 4 prizes? Because 4 employees is being selected na. So if 4 employees is being selected, so 4 award will be also distributed. That will be, you will write down here 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to the total amount that has been mentioned is 37000. 37000. Then according to the second condition for second institution how many employees has been selected? So here are 5, 3 and 4 employees. 5, 3 and 4 employees are being selected. It means in this time 5 employees for this, 3 employees for this and 4 employees for this. 5, 3 and 4 employees are being selected. It means according to the second condition what would be here? 5x plus 3y plus 4z. So 5x plus 3y plus 4z, and that is equal to 47000. एक चीज और यार, ये मत समझ लेना कि हम साधु बाबा बन गए और मेरे अंदर से तेज निकल रहा है, सनलाइट आ रही है। एक्चुअली यहाँ वीडियो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा क्लियर बनना था तो आई थॉट कि यहीं पे बना लेते हैं, डोंट माइंड। हाँ, तो ये समझना कि सर भगवान बन गए हैं, उनके पीछे से तेज निकल रहा है, चेहरा चमक रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हाँ ठीक है, ये सब सनलाइट है गॉड की। So 2 equation has been made, but you are observing here that if there are 3 variables, so 3 equation must be here. Unless there are 3 equations, we are not able to find out the value of 3 variable. So the third condition has been also mentioned that the total price for each student is, each employee is 12,000. It means for one employees, for one employees and for one employees total is 12,000. It means x plus y plus z is equal to 12,000. So according to the third condition, x plus y plus z is equal to 12,000. This is request from my side. After solving this sum, at least you have to solve the sheet that has been displayed on the video by me, from where I am solving the question number 15. Now you have to solve these three equations. For solving these three equations, of course, solutions ax should be is equal to b. लेकिन यहां पर a और b और x भी तो किसी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे होंगे ना, where a is equal to coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. That means 4, 5, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1. These are the coefficient of x, y as well as z. Then what is x? X are the variable, that is x, y and z. And then at last b is equal to 3, 7, 0, 0, 4, 7, 0, 0, and 1, 2, 0, 0. So these three matrix has been selected by me. After that, the situation is that ax is equal to b, or you may say that x is equal to a inverse b. It means what you have to do, very first you need to find out the value of a inverse. And I had already taught you that for finding a inverse, you must have 1 upon det of a. It means very first you need to find out det of a, after that adjoint of a. These two values must be solved by you. After finding the value of this and this, very first you have to check that whether det of a is not equal to 0 or it is equal to 0. We have to check it. If it is not equal to 0, only then the uniqueness of the solution is existing, and if the uniqueness of the solution is existing, only then the solution of this will be existing here also. So if det of a is not equal to 0, then the further solution will be done by us. So that will be solved by you, as I had already taught you that how to do. So I hope that you are able to do it now. Even then I am suggesting you that what are the answers of this. X is equal to 4000, y is equal to 5000, and z is equal to 3000 will come. So you will be able to solve it. Please solve by your hard work and with your persistency, and you are going to find out the solution of this question. It is very easy. लेकिन फिर भी this is my pleasure to suggest you that how to do. So for finding a inverse, you need to find out det of a. If det of a is not equal to 0, and of course it will be, because the uniqueness of the solution definitely will be here. So after finding det of a, you will find out adjoint of a, and I had told you that how to find out the adjoint of a. For finding the adjoint of a, you must have the cofactor of each element of a, and after that you have to find out the matrix by this cofactor. Cofactor जो आएंगे उससे एक matrix बनेगी. Then you will write down the transpose of that matrix, and it will be the adjoint of a. And after putting the value of adjoint of a as well as the det of a, you will be able to find out this whole result, and which will be multiplied by b. Sorry बेटा, यहाँ पे c नहीं मेंशन होगा, that will be b. तो इस चीज पे ध्यान रखना, this is your b.